Hi everybody, so today I'm going to show you what I do to my hair on my lazy day when I don't want to deal with frontals or straightening. Most of the times when I'm feeling lazy to do my hair, I go for this African mama look. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this African mama bun, just stay tuned. To start off, I'm gonna swoop my hairline backwards by using my toothbrush. So this toothbrush is just for my hair. I use this toothbrush for my hairline alone. I don't use it for anything else. So the next thing that I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna take a little bit of my instant edge control with my brush and go straight into styling my edges. So guys, I got this instant edge control from Amazon, and when I say this instant edge control is amazing, I mean it guys. This instant edge control will last your hairline the whole day. So I'm gonna leave the link in the info section. If you are interested in purchasing it, you can go check it out. And yep. To be honest with you guys, I'm not good with the baby hair situation. I only try to do my best. So yep. So guys, I'm wearing one of my lace front curly hair because I'm gonna put it in a bun to make it look like my real hair. And also I didn't do anything to the hairline. I'm not gonna do anything to the hairline. Next, I'm gonna take my scarf and wrap it around my head. So guys, this scarf was made by a friend from Ghana. So yep, big ups to her for making me this beautiful head scarf. So guys, I'm really not gonna say much in this part of the video because I really think it's self-explanatory.
Bad man falling, going through hoops like Jordan. Give me one time, baby girl. Give me one time, make a rewind.
So guys, I'm gonna complete the video here. This is what I do on my lazy day, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you on my next video, guys. Bye.
'Cause you know, say I'm falling for